In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Zoom tutorial for beginners 2026, how to use Zoom. To get started, go to the official Zoom website and open the Zoom Download Center. From there, download Zoom Workplace for your device, whether that's Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, or Android. Once the download is complete, install the app and open it. This is the main app you'll use for joining meetings, starting meetings, and managing your Zoom settings. When Zoom opens, you can either sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click Sign in. If you're brand new to Zoom, click Sign up and create a free account. It's also helpful to know that in many cases, you can join a meeting without a Zoom account as long as you have the meeting invitation. To join a meeting, open Zoom and click Join or Join a Meeting. Enter the meeting ID, then type the passcode if one is required. After that, choose whether you want your video turned on before entering. Then click Join. Zoom will usually prompt you to connect your computer audio, which allows you to hear the meeting and speak through your microphone. You can also skip these manual steps by simply clicking the Zoom meeting link sent by the host. Once you're inside a meeting, move your mouse over the Zoom window to reveal the toolbar. This is where the main controls are. You'll see mute and unmute for your microphone, start or stop video for your camera, participants to view who's in the meeting, chat for sending messages, share for presenting your screen or an app, reactions for things like raising your hand, more for extra features, and leave to exit the meeting. Before an important meeting, it's a good idea to test your microphone and camera. Open Zoom settings, go to audio, and test your microphone and speaker. Then go to video and make sure your camera is working properly. You can also join Zoom's test meeting if you want to practice ahead of time. If you want to schedule your own meeting, sign in to Zoom and click Schedule. Enter your meeting topic, choose the date and time, adjust your meeting settings, and then click Save. After that, click Copy Invitation, so you can send the meeting details to your attendees. To start your scheduled meeting, open the Zoom app, go to Home or Meetings, find the meeting you scheduled, and click Start. Once you're inside, you can use the meeting controls to manage the session. As the host, open participants to invite people, mute participants, manage permissions,